The sea sponge.
You don't like picture?
You guys take picture with me now.
Cheese.
Put the glasses on.
Oh, yeah, man.
Take
Look
a
at mom.
picture,
Look at mom. Say, yeah, man.
Touch Charlie. Touch Charlie. Touch him. Yeah, man. No problem, man.
Charlie. Yeah?
Buds.
It's that, you see, he takes it, my God, he gives it back, you see? Alright.
Happy?
Happy.
Happy with Charlie? Smile.
Cheese. You heard that straight. He said smile. Cheese. Yeah.
Say, yeah, man.
He's going to be militant. You know that? And when he reaches like 14, 15 years old, he won't even recognize this anymore. He's going to be cool talking.
Is that true? Yes or no?
Yeah.
That's right. It's only because he's small now, you know, his brains is just recuperating.
That's right.
Just getting idea together, you know?
Yeah.